Bullish 1 cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $2.34 and $5.10 by 2030. Market examiners accept 1 could reach $2.34 by 2025. Bearish 1 market cost expectation for 2022 is 41 cents. 1 presentation. DEXs are decentralized trades. They are the stages or trades where digital currency exchanging happens without the contribution of an outsider. At the end of the day, no monetary establishment or organization is engaged with the activity of a decentralized trade. Members exchange on decentralized stages without separation and must just associate their computerized wallets to effectively exchange. DEXs don't give anybody admittance to their clients' resources or individual data, so individuals exchange with their assets in their grasp, as it were. Many trades have set costs for digital currencies that differ from one trade to another, and brokers attempt to purchase the coins at the least value conceivable to amplify benefits. This digital currency guide will show you all that there is to be familiar with the 1 organization and its elements. In any case, we will keep on zeroing in on the 1 organization cost forecast from 2022 to 2030. What is the 1 organization? This organization has made exchanging more helpful. It dissects all DEXs and tracks down the one with the most minimal cost to propose to its clients for them to get the best cost. The essential objective of this 1 organization is to give better value choices to its clients while keeping up with resource liquidity and security. 1 organization biological system. This 1 organization is comprised of 3 conventions that guarantee its smooth activity and offer types of assistance to its members. 1 total convention. This convention's motivation is to decide the best way for its clients. There are various liquidity trades in the computerized market that help different digital currencies on their foundation, each with its own arrangement of costs. Some deal a more exorbitant cost for a coin, while others offer a similar coin at a lower cost. This convention examines the costs on these trades and prescribes to its clients the trade with the least cost in contrast with different stages. Clients can exchange for a minimal price, therefore. 1 liquidity convention. The convention handles all undertakings connected with security and well-being. This convention shields members from different dangers that they might experience while exchanging. It additionally gives motivations to its clients. 1 breaking point request convention. This convention is the most as of late refreshed of the 3. Its administrations limit clients structure trade open doors in decentralized finance. Different highlights of this convention incorporate powerful valuing and contingent orders. This convention likewise upholds custom executions, for example, stop misfortune and following stop orders. 1 wallet. This wallet empowers exchanging on an assortment of trade stages. Clients store their resources in the advanced wallet and associate it to the 1 organization to start exchanging without giving over control of their resources for anybody. This 1 wallet is an easy-to-use versatile stage that safeguards the resources of the clients. It additionally works on the members' exchange and marking abilities. 1 coin outline. The 1 organization's ticker image is 1 It gives capacity to the 1 organization and empowers clients to take an interest. These tokens offer their clients motivators as well as liquidity mining programs, which has expanded their interest. Also, the coin permits clients to exchange coins at the most ideal costs that anyone could hope to find. Besides, holders of 1 coins reserve the option to decide on future coin-related proposition. Many trade stages, including Binance, Coinbase, Huobi Worldwide, FTX, OKEX, Kraken, and KuCoin, support the exchanging of 1 organization coins. In spite of the fact that Coinbase permits the sending and getting of 1 tokens, exchanging by means of advanced wallets isn't upheld. The 1 organization token is facilitated on the Ethereum blockchain and requires 14 organization affirmations before an exchange can be finished. The most extreme withdrawal sum for 1 is 31,251 with a base cost of 3.331 coins. 1 is presently worth 52 cents USD. 1 has moved 0.53% as of now with an exchanging volume of $37,481,480. 1 is presently positioned 88 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $319,826,018 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for 1 to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant 1 market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. 1 value forecast 2022. 1 from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The 1 cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to 78 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 72 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. 1 is supposed to have a base worth of 62 cents. 1 value expectation 2023. In 2023, 1 cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of 1 will before long outperform $1.30. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the 1's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, 1 will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.04 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.14. 1 value forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.82 and 1 may benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. 1 is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.67 and a low of $1.56 in 2024. 1 value expectation 2025. If 1 effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados, the 1 coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, 1 will be green in 2025. The 1 is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $2.34, with a base cost of $2.08 and a typical cost of $2.19. 1 value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the 1 cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.71 by 2026, with a base cost of $2.60 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, 1 has a greatest value worth of $2.86. 1 value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $3.23. On the off chance that 1 figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $3.38. Neglecting to accumulate the help 1 necessities by 2027 could bring about a low of $3.12. 1 value expectation 2028. While 1 is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $3.64 and a yearly cost close above $3.90 in 2028. 1